i35equipment.com. This is the JCB 3CX compact backhoe loader. It's a great machine to have out on the farm or on the job site. It really is just like a Swiss Army knife for when you're out working. It's got a lot of features and options on it. First of all, super easy to haul around from job site to job site. That front bucket is a 4-in-1 or clamshell bucket, so you can open that up for spreading gravel, or you can grab a tree with it, or there's a lot of uses. Also has Hydraulci Quick Attach system for the front loader bucket. The backhoe system, it has an 18-inch CP bucket. Also has auxiliary hydraulics and can run either two-way or single-way hydraulics. So if you need to attach a thumb, or if you need to attach a hammer, you can hook right up to those auxiliary hydraulics and go to work. That is a sliding backhoe, so the arm slides left and right. Just has a switch inside, allows you to unlatch the 4 locks. Those locks hydraulically unlock, and then you can slide the backhoe arm left to right to get it just in the right spot, or it makes it to where that arm can float up nice and flat against the back for transportation. Hydraulic outriggers for stability, 4-wheel drive, 2 travel speeds, no def required, always a great feature. It does have switchable control patterns for your backhoe arm, so no matter who's operating for you, they can be right home with a pattern control of their choice. Cold AC and hot heat inside the cab. And those are joystick controls, if I didn't say it earlier. Big fan of the joystick controls. There's your clamshell bucket opening. Like I said, you can grab onto things if you need to. It's also really convenient for spreading gravel and sand and other things. This machine has both front wheel steering, or you can turn the 4-wheel steering on. So it has a really tight turning radius. It is 4-wheel drive. Just about all the features you're looking for. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share the address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. And our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just call our form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good rate equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. If you hear that reverse alarm, it sounds unique to you. It is. The machine is designed for working in town, and that reverse alarm allows folks to know you're moving without being too intrusive as a continual beeping. On cutting edge. It does have a pedal hitch welded on up here in case you move a trailer around the job site or anything else. That CP bucket does have 4 teeth on it. Go ahead and check out the motor before we hop up in the operator's station. Open the hood, we're just going to pull on that cable. That's going to unlatch it. Kind of tough to see with the arm down, but they might first try to give you a good view of the interior, or of the motor, I mean. Show you it doesn't at all. Ready? Let's go ahead and hop up in the operator station and take a look around inside there. So, parking light is on, P, because parking brake's on. The orange means we're in 4-wheel steer, the green means we're in 4-wheel drive, and the 2 stands for you're in 2nd speed out of the 2. shift, forward, neutral, reverse. These are your lights and your windshield wipers. This little handle is your parking brake. This is going to run your loader bucket left, right, up, and down, and this one's going to run the clamshell up and down. Of course, it's going to be connected for left and right for scooping and unscooping, and then this one works independently for the clamshell design. All your light switches here. See, the only light on is your parking brake light. This light is a maintenance light. I do not know how to turn that off. That's how you turn it off once it's supposed to let you know your maintenance is due. I think since they just changed the oil, they probably did the maintenance and probably also don't know how to turn it off. Let's see, HVAC controls. This is how you turn the joystick on for the backhoe loader. If that's off, your backhoe won't work. Hydraulci Quick Attach for the front. This is your first gear, second gear. This is your, that is your four-wheel steering. To slide back, you have to have the seat all the way back, pull up on the handle, and then spin. Back here, you're going to find your hydraulic outrigger controls, up and down. Throttle, this controls your auxiliary hydraulic flow. It's going to be two-way or single. Reverse alarm, rear windshield wiper control. This is what's going to lock and unlock your four locks on that backhoe arm and allow you to slide it. And this is for either backhoe or excavator controls. There is a button on the bottom of each of these handles that unlocks or allows you to utilize the joystick. It's a safety. And then these, of course, slide in and out for comfort. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Happy to help. Website is www.i35limit.com. My phone number is 405-833-6437. Hope the video was beneficial to you. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day.